Fix Google Play services for AR required. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, launch the Chrome browser on your device. Search for Google Play services, and here you can simply see the option of Google Play services. So simply let's search for Google Play services for AR over here. So we're gonna simply search for AR over here, and we're gonna see if we have any updates available. So you can simply tap on Google Play services for AR, and you can simply search if you have any updates available. You can simply update it, and if not, you can just go back and search for Google Play services directly. Check on the updates for Google Play services as well. And as you do that, you can simply relaunch the Google Play services application, and that might definitely help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.